In this video, we're delighted to introduce to you the build quality test of the famous and ever popular OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. We're not fully certain about how exactly the build quality is going to be, since this is our first test on a Nord CE series device. Also, the previous gen, OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G was rumored to break like a biscuit.
Always good to have a free case inside the box. It seems to be slightly loose at the sides, but gives great protection because of the raised edges. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite itself is pretty awesome looking at 20K. The design is simple yet elegant due to the two large camera circles, and the pastel line makes it freshly unique, though the glossy finish makes it a severe smudge magnet. Another awesome stuff is the 80 watts adapter, which charges at 67 watts superbook speeds.
So now, let's move on to the real tests. The front selfie camera has a Sony IMX471X NOR RS sensor, f2.4 aperture, with face unlock and digital image stabilization. The 108 megapixel primary camera is an ISO cell type Samsung S5 KHM6SX03 sensor at f1.79 with digital zoom and DIS. A secondary 2 megapixel depth sensing camera at f2.5. And a third f2.4 2 megapixel camera for macro shots. There is no actual official proof as yet about the type of tempered glass protection used on the display, though some third-party sources claim it to be as Corning Gorilla Glass. But whatever it is, we're soon going to find out the real scratch resistance of the glass protection. If it in fact is Gorilla protection, then the glass should not have issues in handling the steel abuse, which many BBK devices have failed. No visible signs of permanent scratches or marks. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G thankfully passes our scratch test. Next, the drop test. We're hoping not to see any shatter or damages, since the fail season of last year seems to be carrying forward also to this year. With a total of 6 drops, 2 pocket low drops, followed by 2 high drops with the free cover, then the final 2 naked drops from the back and display. Let's hope for the best. No issues until now. The CE3 Lite 5G survives both pocket drops as it should. Next, 2 high drops with the free soft cover on the bottom side and top. The cover does a fantastic job in preventing tiny breaks and dents on the edges. Next, 2 naked high drops. Will the glass on the huge camera rings shatter or survive? The default protection on the rings does a good job protecting the glass protection. Next, the popular danger drop you have been waiting for, finale display drop, screen side. Good job by Nord. To give adequate drop impact protection, the OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite 5G survived our drop test without a single scratch or slight damage.
Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bench test for the actual real-life build quality of devices. Has the CE 3 Lite improved upon the rumored weak build of last year's CE 2 Lite 5G? Even though there is some degree of flex on the display bend, it actually felt much stronger than it looks. Also, no hint of damages or weird noises until now. Almost a similar bend degree like the first, the CE 3 Lite looks strong at this point. As you can see, no issues whatsoever in terms of build quality. The CE 3 Lite passes the bend test with ease. In general, the OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite 5G has displayed awesome build quality in all departments, and at this point of time is a sure contender for Budget King of the Year worldwide.